It's Don here from the board, and right now it is 12:01 on Monday the 27th of January here in Sydney, so it means Australia Day is over. Now, of course, what that signifies is that I'm going to be doing the draw very shortly to give away the Keychron K2 keyboard that I reviewed very recently. So let's just have a very quick look at what I'm talking about. So here's the Keychron K2. It's been completely customized from a aesthetics point of view by Tay Keyboards himself, and he's actually signed it. Now, I came across it because I won it at the Sydney 2019 meetup, and I'm choosing to donate this as a prize for people who have contributed towards the 2019-2020 bushfire appeals here in Australia, because we've just had so many, catastrophic events. People have lost their homes, all of our environment, the bush and surrounds have been completely destroyed, animals and their habitats, livestock, livelihood, all of that kind of stuff. So I want to say thank you to everybody who's been participating, despite even if you didn't actually enter in my competition or giveaway. There's heaps of guys who've been doing other fundraising efforts. Dusty Caps did a sale today as well. There's been the Rama keycap with the shrimps on the Barbie. That's been sold through a bunch of different vendors. That's raising money for the Victorian Country Fireys. Then you've also got guys at Switch Keys who do that desk mat with the eucalyptus or gum tree in the middle. So, there's been lots of really amazing initiatives within our community to support essentially a really devastating and challenging time for our local people here in Australia. I know that you guys want to really see who's won the keyboard, so let me just put this away. That means I can put this away, pop it in the box, we can draw it, and then it can go home to a brand new owner. So essentially you're going to get the keyboard, and there's a cable and a switch keycap puller at the back there as well. Unfortunately, Tay Keyboards actually didn't include the extra keycaps. Not that it matters, because the keycaps are being painted, so it doesn't matter if you needed the Mac or the PC legends on them. So let's just close that up, and then we can get that out of the way. Okay, so there you go. And let's switch over to the monitor. So what I've done is I've actually taken the names, and there's only been 17 people who participated, so your chances are actually pretty good. I've shortened the initials, but you will see that there is actually two Nicholases. There's a Nicholas with surname starting with BA, and another Nicholas which starts with BO. So I've just put that there to distinguish between the two. I've got random.org here. I've got it set up for 1 to 17, and let's roll, and good luck. 8. So number 8 is Jackie. Now I'm going to have to refer to the other sheet, but congratulations, Jackie. I will be in contact with that email address that you've provided to me, and this Keychron K2 will be heading on its way very shortly to you. So thank you everybody who participated, made a donation, made a contribution, and you know what, people are going to be hurting for a while still. So if you are in a position where you can make a difference for somebody, please do. Well, there you go. Thanks very much for checking out the video. Please, of course, check out other videos if you've not come across my stuff before, and as per usual, just got to find the right button to stop the video. Don't have a stream deck or anything like that. Yeah, so as usual, until next time, happy clacking.